Hello guys, my name is Vanpar and you are watching my channel Vanmat Music Arts and Technology. So in this video we are going to learn that how we can cast our phone or cast our PC to our mobile screen or our desktop screen. So there are many benefits of casting your phone or desktop to any other device. For example, if you are attending a meeting from any of the application, for example Zoom, Microsoft Teams or Google Meet, if you want to share your phone screen, you will come to that meeting using your phone and then start sharing. But if you can cast your phone screen to the PC, you can just share the PC screen because the PC is also showing the phone screen. And if you are attending a meeting from phone, you can cast your laptop. So that simple it is, and that's important. So let's get started and see how we can do this. If you are using an iOS device, go to App Store, and if you are using an Android device, go to Play Store. I am using an iOS, I am going to App Store. In the App Store, or Play Store, you are going to search the application Let's View, and you can find the best results. Download the screen mirroring Let's View application. So you can see that I have downloaded. So it is giving me option to open. So now we will see that how we can connect our phone. So let's start our app installation on our PC. For installing the Let's View application on our PC, we have to open our favorable browser. But before starting, I will request you to subscribe my channel, like this video and press the bell icon which will appear after subscribing my channel. I will very appreciate if you will turn the text subscribe into subscribed and the color red to grey. And if you are not aware of my official website, which is vivanmat.com, you can go to vivanmat.com anywhere, anytime. And our vivanmat.com has been redesigned. First of all, the design was very different, but it is now redesigned. You can see the new design by going to vivanmat.com. So without wasting any further time, let's install the application. For installing the Let's View application, we have to go to https www.letsview.com. I will leave the link in the description. And then you can see that it is available for Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, TV. We can click on download to download this. I'm going to choose the option save as and then the downloads folder. I'm going to open the Let's View setup.exe file and going to check the yes option. So we are going to choose the language English or any preferred language by you, and I think that we not need to change this installation folder. So I'm going to click on install now for installing. So the Let's View application will be installed. It will be installed very quickly as it is a very light application, very good application, and it's free. There are many applications that are paid, but the Let's View application is free. And why I am using the Let's View application to cast my phone to my PC is the only reason to that it's free, and there are many other software such as AnyDesk or TeamViewer, but this is the best as it doesn't hang also and works very smoothly. AnyDesk hangs a little bit. You can use that also, but it hangs a little bit. So as you can see, the Let's View application is installed on our PC. So now we are going to connect this application. So on our mobile device, we are going to open Let's View application, and then on our PC, we are also going to open Let's View application. Then after the application is open at both the devices, the phone will detect your PC's application, and my Windows name is Vivan, so it's showing Let's View Vivan. I am going to click on this, and there two options will appear: phone screen mirroring or computer screen mirroring. If we have to cast our phone to computer, we will choose the option phone screen mirroring, but if we want to cast our computer on our phone, we can choose computer screen mirroring. For example, let's start with computer screen mirroring. So it is saying that please allow permission to capture your screen on PC. So if you so the Let's View application on your PC will give a pop-up that a Let's View application on any other device is receiving my computer screen. You have to allow, and now you can see my computer, and it works very fluently. As you can see, the cursor moves where my fingers are moving. I can open my browser, my website, and I can do anything that I can do from my PC. And this is the Let's View application. This is showing that it is successfully connected with your iPhone. So let's stop the casting, and now we are going to cast our phone to our PC. So now we are going to cast our phone to PC, and this time we are going to choose the phone screen mirroring option instead of computer screen mirroring. Then we are going to click on phone screen mirroring. It is going to give some commands that access control center and tap screen mirroring option. So we are going to accessing control center and then long press on screen mirroring. It will give an option Let's View Vivan, but if I will click on it, it is going to show an error because I am recording my screen. So let me stop the screen, and then I will be just recording it from my PC screen. So as I am starting the screen mirroring, my phone is going to appear on my PC, and see, it is appearing on my PC. I can toggle the full screen mode to have the focus on Let's View application, and I can press escape. So let's see. So this is working very fluently, and it doesn't hang at all. You can do anything from your PC, and your phone is not going to hang, that it is displaying. It is very fluent. So let's see the features that are provided by Let's View application on the computer application. So here is the brush, and we can annotate our screen using this brush option, and this option was also when we are casting our PC to phone, but for now we are going to undo it. And this circle button option is recording. You can record your phone screen from the PC only. If you don't have any screen recorder on your phone, or you don't want to record through your phone, you can stop it, and this is now saved in here. We can see that the recording quality is also very good. See, the recording quality is also very good. It doesn't hang at all. So let's see the another features. We can pin it up and always stop disabled. So if I am going to my file explorer, it is not going to on top, and if we are going to pin it up, it will be on top. And this is a screenshot. We can take the screenshot of our phone screen. So let's take the screenshot of this screen. So see, The screenshot is taken and it is open successfully. It has been zoomed, but no problem. So you can rotate your phone screen. If you are using any application that is on landscape and not on portrait, you can use this feature. So that's it. You can here you can use Let's View application, which is free, and cast your PC to your phone or your phone to the PC. I am going to unpair this. The same process and stop mirroring. So we will meet in the next video.